To add a fingerprint on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here scroll down and go for the security and privacy, and here go for the device unlock. And first of all you need to have any of the screen lock methods available set up on your phone. It can be either pattern, alphanumeric or the numeric. You simply need the screen lock first before you can add the fingerprint. So let's go for the fingerprint, and here we have to press this one and enter our current screen lock. And here we have the screen protector reminder that when we have the screen protector there, which is not original, actually dedicated by the Realme, the fingerprint sensor might not work. But anyways, let's add the fingerprint, and all you simply have to do is put your finger on this fingerprint sensor, which is located right here, just like this. As you feel the vibration under your finger, you have to lift it and slightly change the location of the finger. As you can see, just like this. I recommend to do kind of like circular moves. And now we are now we will be scanning the edges of our fingers, I believe. So put the edges of your finger on the fingerprint sensor, and also I recommend you to do kind of like circular moves, just like this. And as you can see, the scan is going pretty well and quickly, and we just have our fingerprint added. So that's very simple. That's it. Thank you for watching.